Kunti, really, Allah only addresses one female in the Quran. Kuntuma, not really. Kuntunna, not really. Kuntu, not really. Unless Allah's quoting the speech of someone. But you want to say that. And kunna you'll find a few times. Okay, so I'm saying, you don't have to like really memorize, it's an awkward scale, but just know the few key ones. What's the few key ones? Kana, kanu, kanat. Not kunna even. Kunta, kuntum, and kunna maybe. Okay, let's read the other scale. Yakuunu, yakunani, yakununa, takunu, takunani, yakunna, takunu, takunani, takununa, takunina, takunani, takunna, akunu, nakunu. So maybe just maybe memorize there. Yakuunu, yakununa, and nakunu. The first one, the third one, the last one. And maybe okay. Well, actually, I have to just check in the corpus and just see. I haven't done a survey in the Quran, see how many each one comes, but we can easily check it in the corpus Quran and just type ka for our noon and see how much each one comes. So we can have like a empirical, proper answer instead of me just make it up here. But I think most commonly, Yakuunu. I'm not sure about takununa. I can actually check it quickly. Let me see what comes up. Okay, no, but there's no screen now, so that's fine. Anyway, just you don't have to memorize all of them. That's fine. Let's go through some examples, inshallah. First example on the second page. Allah says there in the second page, not on the third page, second page, Allah says, Kaana Allahu ghafuran. Even though Kaana means was, we don't know when we translate was for Allah sifas. Or if you say was and is. Just from a theological point of view, you don't say Allah was all-knowing, because it's Allah still is all-knowing. So Allah might be talking about a specific context in the past and said He was merciful then, but obviously in our understanding He was and always is all-merciful. Understand, just from a kind of other point of view. But you can see the ism Kaana there is the word Allah, and Ghafuran is the khabar Kaana. Next one, Kanu mu'minina, translation. They were believers. The ism Kaana there is that wow, that at the end there. Mu'minina is the khabar Kaana. You can also make ma Kaana, same as Kaana, just means not. So Kaana means was, and ma Kaana means was not. The ma is a harf, so whatever the harf, just harf, just means it negates everything. Ma Kaana was not. Who was not what? Ibrahim alayhi salam was not Yahudiyan. He was not a Jew. Kaana Yahudiyan. He was a Jew. The huwa inside is the ism Kaana. Yakuunu al-waladu dhakiyan. Yakuunu is al-waladu ism Kaana. The boy is dhakiyan, to be clever and to be intelligent. If you look at the bottom, there is a list of sis of Kaana. Kaana means was or used to. Kaana also comes with a lot of the meaning of used to. Like he used to do this, or they used to do this.
Yakuunu and Sayakuunu similar.
So Yakuunu means is, and Sayakuunu. See, the Mudari is a strange word because the Mudari can be present or future tense. But when you add Sa, it's only future tense. You with me? So it's Sa makes only future tense. That's the difference. So Kaana and Ma Kaana, same thing, was not. Laysa means is not. And Laysa also has a scale. Laysa, Laysu. Laysu is often Laysu might come often. Laysa, Laysu, Laysat, Laysata, Lasna. Lasta, Lastuma, Lastum, Lasti, Lastuma, Lastuna, Lastu, Lasna. This is a good thing, inshallah. Next one, Asbaha. Asbaha from the word Sabah actually means morning. So Asbaha can mean two things. It can mean to come into the morning, or it can just means to become. You with me? So you normally in the du'as you read, what do you read in the morning? Asbahna wa asbah al-mulku lillah. Asbahna, we have entered the morning, wa asbah al-mulku lillah, and the entire kingdom has entered the morning, lillah, for the sake of Allah.
That last example where the boy is clever.
Mm-hmm.
Put Yakuunu after, and we have al-waladu.
It will mean the same thing. It will mean the same thing. But there will be examples where Yakuunu is going to be useful. I should find some examples. I'm not sure that there must be some value to it, but I'm not sure what it is. No, in this context here. Next one, amsa. So asbaha can mean to enter the morning. Asbaha can also mean to become in general. Like if I say asbaha al-waladu kabiran or rashidan, the boy became big or the boy became guided. I mean like he became in general, not in the mornings only. In asbaha al-waladu tawilan doesn't mean he became tall in the morning. It just means to become in general. So amsa from the word masa. You say Allahu bika asbahna bika amsayna. You with me? In the morning dua you read what? Allahumma inni asbahtu minka fi ni'matin wa afiyatin wa sitrin. Allahumma inni amsaytu means to enter the evening, into the masa. Okay, and there's also other ones also, al-duha, to enter the duha time. And there's other ones also, but this is the two main ones. Ma zala means to continue. We say ma zala al-waladu tawilan, or we say ma zala al-waladu ghaniyan. The boy continued to be rich, continued to be wealthy. So ma zala means to continue. Kada means almost. Kada al-waladu dhahaba al-masjid. The boy almost went to the masjid. Just one thing about kada is that the khabar of kada will always be a jumlatul fi'liyah. It's just one of those little notes, but it's fine. The khabar of kada will always be a jumlatul fi'liyah.
So in the ma, in front of zala, doesn't negate it.
No, so yeah, it does negate it. Zala means when something disappears, and ma means when something is negation. So when something doesn't disappear. So ma zala means something doesn't disappear. So when something doesn't disappear, it means it remains. Yeah. You with me? So zala means disappear, and ma zala means doesn't disappear, which means remains. So the ma is negating us. But the thing is one thing, ma zala.
Almost like saying, continue to grow, it's growing. Means in the ma, in my front, it as continuation of growth.
Yeah, so the word zala itself is the opposite of continuation.
So use the opposite word in front of the ma, but you read it as that.
Yeah, indication of the opposite means opposite here. Okay. Now.
See, the first person present tense form of Kaana. I am.
Kaana. Naam, Yakuunu. Okay, also mean I will be as well, eh? But yeah.
Okay, but I'm just thinking, in a sentence, when we say I am, it can also be expressed as ana.
Yes. I think one of the difference also is that ana something means I am something, where Yakuunu can also have a future tense value. Because the verb, remember when we have Jumatul Ismiya, there's no time. There's no time. So ana ghaniyun means I am wealthy. But akunu ghaniyan means I am wealthy or I will become wealthy. There's a present tense value as well.
So another sentence like I am busy.
Mashghulun.
Would that be correct as akunu or as ana?
Ana would be better if you say I am something. In normal conversation you'll say Jumatul Ismiya, I am something. So the Kaana, so the Yakuunu generally will mean when you become something in the future.
So ana would specifically be the present tense.
Yes. Yakuunu can also mean present, but you don't normally speak like that. No. And madama means as long as. Madama, as long as. Like if I say something will happen, madama al-rajulu ghaniyan, as long as the man is wealthy. You with me? As long as something. Madama something is something. Madama al-waladu Ghaniya. Okay, so I think it will become much clearer when you start doing the examples for homework, inshallah. So your homework is to do the examples, is to read the following and also identify the the ism kana and the khabar kana. To really get this, you must go through a few examples. Once you go through a few, it becomes easy because it's always the same. Once you go through a few, it's always going to be the same, so it's going to become easy. But look for the ism kana, like make a line in between the two. So on the one side is the ism kana and the other side is the khabar kana. You say kana fariqun minhum yasma'una kalam Allah. Where's the line there? Okay, you must think about where the line is. Where's the subject part and where's the predicate part? Or where's the focus and where's the news part? Okay. But inshallah, let's just do that. Next week inshallah, I'll do a few verses of Surah Rahman before the end of the period.